Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, because you guys are joining me on this journey of life. And today for life, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys what I received for free, completely for free, through Bump Club and Beyond. For those that do not know, I am actually 31 weeks pregnant. There we go. As you can tell, I'm 31 weeks pregnant. I am pregnant with my little baby boy, and it's actually my first baby, so I am my first time mom. So I don't know what I'm doing because I have not done it yet. So I decided to go ahead and follow along to all these videos on YouTube stating that I should actually get these free samples so that I can try things out with my baby, because they say that you never know what pacifiers they will like and you never know what they won't like, so that you always need to have a lot of different stuff. And so yeah, I decided to actually follow that advice, and there was actually this one video that I saw that recommended the Bump Club and Beyond. I hadn't seen this one. This is actually a really rare gift registry. Out of all the videos, I hadn't seen very many posts about this one, so I decided, like, why not order it and see if I receive it and just let you guys know how I got it, how long it took, and what's inside. I'm gonna start off by saying I really like this little bag. It's really cute. It's kind of like a beach bag. I would think it's like a beach bag, and it even comes with a Velcro, so you can open it and close it like that. But another thing that I really liked was that it came with a lot of different things that other registry bags did not come with. One of the things that actually is very special is that they give you full-size items. So this full-size 7th generation wipes with 64 wipes inside. That's crazy. It's literally a full pack of wipes, and it's 7th generation. That is not cheap. We have one of those. We also do have this Baby Dove head to toe wash. It says rich and moisturizing. So this is literally like a full-size bottle of this, and I thought that was really cute as well. And actually, now thinking about it, everything kind of matches in color. Let's move on to the next item. This is actually a sample size, but this is an Aveeno baby, and this is a baby lotion. And I actually really enjoy these little samples because these can go inside of your diaper bag and they won't take up too much room. Keep one in the car or anything. I literally have everything everywhere, just so that I can make sure I always have it. I'm like those paranoid, what if I don't have it when I need it type of person. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be that type of mom too. Another thing that came here is this Mistela baby lotion. So I've actually never heard of this before, Mistela brand. So that's going to be really interesting. That's kind of like a little semi sample size as well. And another item here is some Medela storage bags. So breast milk storage bags. I do plan on breastfeeding, but I will also need bottles because I have a husband and the husband needs some help. So here you go to bottle, here you go to baby. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, and also just so that he can bond with him as well, and also just in case someone else wants to actually hold him and he's hungry, they can feed him, might as well. I will be doing that milk storage thing. I will be pumping, so I do need bottles, even though I won't be formula feeding my baby, if that makes any sense. And in general, I really don't know how long it will take to bring in my breast milk, so I'm thinking about even ordering the free Infomel or Similac formula just in case. So if you guys don't know, you go on their website and you can just put in all your information and they send you free formula for your babies, just in case. Another of the things that they actually give you is the Bamboobies disposable nursing pads, and this one comes with 4 of them, so 2 pairs. They're really cute. They're really nice, and these are actually branded because it's the Bamboobies. If you guys haven't heard of them, they're pretty popular. Well, I think that they're pretty popular. And The next thing in here is this Tommy Tippy bottle. It is actually a 5-ounce bottle. Most of them are 4 ounces, but this one's impressive. It's a 5-ounce Tommy Tippy. And that's also a very popular brand. You see it everywhere. I've seen it everywhere ever since my first niece that is now 15. I've literally seen it everywhere. Actually, that might be a lie. I don't know how long they've been alive. Let's just go with my second niece that is 8. I've seen it around. Another brand that actually came in this bag was the Man bottle. And for this Man bottle, it's actually an anti-colic bottle. And this was a little bit different because I had seen this in different Registry bags and boxes. But just like this one, they are adjustable off the bottom. I'm guessing so you can get it a little bit cleaner, but they usually come with a little pacifier, and this one didn't. This one was just a Man bottle, and so I was like a little disappointed by that, even though I already do have 2 of them. I just, like I said, I like the fact of having a lot of things. There you go. Easy as that. But this one, again, I think it's actually a 5-ounce bottle as well. Guys, again, I'm a first-time mom, so all this stuff is new. Don't judge me. The next thing that I find to be very impressive is this Bamboobies washable nursing pads. There's actually 4 reusable pads, so that's 2 pairs. I haven't opened these even to see what color they are, but I'm sure they're going to be super cute, and I'm going to wash them anyways. This is crazy. Crazy as in crazy soft, guys. They're really big too. They're bigger than me. Oh my gosh, look what I'm saying. I hadn't even opened it yet. So this is like my first time seeing them. It says it stops leaks, so it has a milk-proof liner. It's really interesting because, again, like I said, this is branded. It's Bamboobies. And just the last couple things that came in here are just $2 off the Bamboobies. Of course, $2 off is $2 off. And just a Mama Roo bassinet so that you can go ahead and see if you want it, I guess. And we also have this promotional little pamphlet for the car seat at Target, because this company, or whatever it is in partnership with Target. And another thing here is also the pumping in session little hanging thing here. It's kind of cute. It says Spectra supports you with little bras on it. But yes, guys, this is in partnership with Target, like I had just mentioned. So basically, all you have to do is go on bumpclubandbeyond.com and you go ahead and you register for classes. So they actually provide free informational classes on car seats, sleeping, like anything from delivery, like hospital bags, like what you should pack. They also do have videos on the best toys, I don't know, cribs, everything. They have videos and webinars just to educate you as a mom and just on what's new in Target as well. And so in order to get this package, all you have to do is actually go on and first register for the webinars and then register for the pack, which you'd have to make sure you use the same email that you did for the videos and that you also have a Target registry. So with your Target registry, you will get a link. You have to copy the link and you will have to input it in your Target registry link, and that's pretty much it. It just asks for address, your email, your name, all that good stuff that you usually get asked for when you get a package. And so basically you get 2 free items or bags when you register for Target Baby Registry, because you'll get the Bump Club and Beyond, and you'll also be getting a Target registry bag. If you guys don't know how to get those, go ahead and watch the video, because I also have a video on how you get the actual Target registry bag. That's pretty much it for this bag. And again, guys, I'm just so impressed with the fact of even just the wipes. I love wipes even just for myself, so just having so many extra samples here and there, I really appreciate that. I really like it. And especially since they were free. So again, everything completely free, no shipping costs or anything. So yeah, this was just a little bit of a hidden treasure that I just happened to uncover on YouTube through all those free baby think videos. Hope you guys like this video. I asked you guys to go ahead and order your own, and also to go ahead and share it with me. You can do so on Instagram through @Agari, and just tag me on your post to see what you actually received in your package and if we got the same things, or you can go ahead and make your own video and just let us know down below so that we can go ahead and watch your video and see what you got. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and just go ahead and just leave a like also as well on the video, just making sure that you just let me know that you guys liked the content and that you appreciate just knowing how to get this, because honestly I was so shocked to see that you can get so many free baby things and just literally for free, not even 1 penny. So yeah, again, this is Agari and me with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, because you guys are following me along on this journey called life. So thank you guys for watching.